To change the font style on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap font size and style. Next, tap font style. Select the desired font style from the list, or you can tap download fonts to download more fonts in the Galaxy Store. As the example, we will select Gothic Bold. With this setting, your system text is now using the selected font style, in this case Gothic Bold, and applied across menu, apps, and notification. Given to the function, changing font style on your phone helps you to personalize your device, improve readability, and match the screen look to your style. Whether for comfort or creativity, customizing your font makes using your phone a more enjoyable experience. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.